Nonconformities are critical indicators of gaps in compliance, processes, or quality standards. Understanding the difference between major and minor nonconformities helps auditors and organizations prioritize corrective actions and ensure continuous improvement. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What is a nonconformity in auditing? 2. Major versus minor nonconformities key differences. 3. Examples of major and minor nonconformities. 4. How to address and correct nonconformities. By accurately identifying and categorizing nonconformities, auditors help organizations enhance compliance, minimize risks, and improve efficiency. 1. What is a nonconformity in auditing? A nonconformity occurs when an organization fails to meet a required standard, regulation, or internal policy. It indicates a deviation from defined procedures or best practices. Common causes of nonconformities: failure to follow documented procedures, lack of employee training or awareness, defective materials or improper equipment maintenance, weak internal controls or process inefficiencies. 2. Major versus minor nonconformities key differences. Nonconformities are classified based on severity, impact, and risk level. Major nonconformity: a serious violation that can lead to product defects, safety hazards, or legal issues. Causes a complete failure of a quality management system. Results in customer dissatisfaction or regulatory penalties. Minor nonconformity: a small deviation that does not significantly affect product quality or customer satisfaction. Poses no immediate risk to compliance. Indicates an isolated incident rather than a system-wide failure. 3 examples of major and minor nonconformities. Industry manufacturing ISO 9001. Major: failure to inspect final products, leading to defective units being shipped. Minor: missing training records for one employee, but training was conducted. Industry automotive IATF 6949. Major: incorrect torque settings on critical car components, risking mechanical failures. Minor: a labeling error on a non-critical part. 4. How to address and correct nonconformities. Step 1. Identify the root cause. Use tools like 5 whys analysis, asking why multiple times to find the root cause. Fishbone diagram Ishikawa, analyzing causes in categories like people, process, materials, and equipment. Step 2. Implement corrective actions. For major nonconformities, immediate corrective action required to prevent compliance risks. For minor nonconformities, update documentation or improve processes before they escalate. Step 3. Verify and follow up. Conduct a follow-up audit to confirm corrective actions were implemented. Ensure changes are sustainable and prevent recurrence. Key takeaways: major nonconformities are critical violations that require urgent corrective action. Minor nonconformities are small deviations that do not immediately impact compliance. Root cause analysis helps organizations identify and prevent recurring issues. Follow-up audits verify that corrective actions are effective. By correctly classifying and addressing nonconformities, organizations can improve quality, enhance compliance, and reduce risks. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to implement corrective and preventive actions CAP effectively.